Okay, so hi everyone. Today I'm gonna be addressing the microphone problem that is absolutely terrible on these AirPods Pro. So I got these AirPods Pro that I'm wearing right here a month back during the festival sales. Okay, it was the Diwali sale when I got this thing, October 2021. Yeah, I have been using this thing for the last month. When I got these things, I was absolutely mind blown by the sound quality. It's just crystally clear. And since I'm a treble guy, so I absolutely loved the quality. Everybody complains about not having proper amount of bass. Let me tell you guys, this is absolutely amazing. The bass is absolutely amazing if you are a guy who likes tasteful music. Yeah, anyways, getting back to the point. The moment I got this product, I'm a person who does calling like almost 24/7. I'm busy on calls. So when I'm riding my bike, especially, I was recording, okay, and I was also doing some of the calls, and I got a lot of complaints from my friends regarding the call. So they could not really. So every time I used to call them, they used to just tell me that your voice is getting muffled and the noise in the background is getting absolutely amplified. I could not really understand what is the reason, because I bought these things solely because of calling purpose and the convenience. Obviously everybody knows about these Apple products. Yeah, they are very convenient. So yeah, I was getting a lot of complaints about this thing, the noise being amplified in the background and my voice was being muffled, when exactly the opposite should have happened. My voice should have been amplified whenever there was a noise in the background, but this product was doing exactly the opposite for some reason. Anyways, I went through a lot of forums and I got to see that more than 10,000 people, 12,000 people, they have reported about the same thing. Apple even has got a program going on, but that was not about the calls. That was about a rattling sound in the noise cancellation that I absolutely don't have. So my products are definitely manufactured up to October 2020. So I'm safe that way. But the problem with the microphone, many people said that this thing started happening up to the latest firmware update, and I have updated. Yeah, so I am facing the same issue like everyone. But I have tweaked all the settings, turning off the phone noise cancellation, everything I have done, switching the microphone to the left ear only, but nothing really works. Okay, so after tweaking everything, I finally found out a solution, and that is, if you are on a call, you need to turn on the transparency mode. I don't know how does that work, but every time you turn on the transparency mode, the background sound, it absolutely gets reduced and your voice gets amplified. That should happen in all the cases generally, but that does not really happen, yeah, sadly. So this is a software bug, I guess, and I don't think that my microphone has got any problem. As of now, I'm recording this audio when there's no transparency on, when there is no noise cancellation on. I'm just recording is when the toggle is absolutely off, and this is the microphone quality. And I am sitting outside in an ambience where there are a lot of vehicles passing by, and yeah, this is the audio you can hear right now. It is absolutely off, everything is off, and the voice quality is pretty much good, I guess, as far as my knowledge is concerned. But this problem should have been addressed. Okay, I don't know, Apple products people buy for a reason, right? Because they can trust them blindly. It doesn't matter how many times the product has been tested or not. Everybody just goes blindly for Apple products because they are very expensive. So everybody expects this stability to be in there. But yeah, it does not really matter, I guess, because the convenience and the sound factor also plays pivotal role, I guess. Yeah, it's just amazing. It's an amazing product, but Apple should have addressed this thing, the microphone issues. And there's one more thing that I would like to talk about. Okay, so the next thing is, if you are riding a bike, especially, okay, since I am a guy who always goes around in the bikes only, so every time your AirPods is gonna be recognizing a wind noise, it doesn't matter what mode do you have on, it's gonna be switching back to noise cancellation. Not by toggling it to noise cancellation, but automatically. Okay, the voice gets reduced. The ambient noise, it gets reduced for some reason automatically, and Siri does not work. Okay, the Hey Siri command, it does. So I talked about the command. When you are riding the bike, it does not work. Every time there is an ambient noise, there is wind noise, it never really works for some reason. I don't know. If you're walking, if you are in a less ambient place, like a noise where there is less noise, it's gonna work properly. Yeah, this is the problem. These are the two issues that I have been facing, and I wanted to address them, and I already have told the fix as well. Every time you are on a call, just try switching back to transparency mode, and everything will be all right. And this is the only fix that I have found till the time Apple releases another firmware and they try to fix this issue. I don't know when is that thing gonna happen, but I'm really eagerly looking forward to that thing. Yeah, this is my video all about, guys. And sorry, I don't even know how to edit videos properly, so I'm just gonna be giving the raw footage on my YouTube, and I think people will look into it because this is a concern that Apple should have regressed. So I talked about the command. It command when you are riding the bike, it does not work. Every time there is an ambient noise, there is wind noise, it never really works for some reason. I don't know. If you're walking, if you are in a less ambient place, like a noise where there is less noise, it's gonna work properly. Yeah, this is the problem. These are the two issues that I have been facing, and I wanted to address them. And I already have told the fix as well. Every time you are on a call, just try switching back to transparency mode, and everything will be all right. And this is the only fix that I have found till the time Apple releases another firmware and they try to fix this issue. I don't know when is that thing gonna happen, but I'm really eagerly looking forward to that thing. Yeah, this is my video all about, guys. And sorry, I don't even know how to edit videos properly, so I'm just gonna be giving the raw footage on my YouTube, and I think people will look into it. And I hope I'm gonna be releasing another video on the same matter when there is a new firmware available, and I'm gonna be reviewing the call quality. But guys, if you're planning to buy these products, this is the best product I have ever seen in the market when it comes to the TWS market. Yeah, so you can go for this thing blindly, but everything comes with cons. So yeah, why not this one as well? Okay, this has got two issues only: the mic problem during the calls, and the command of Siri does not work if you are in an ambient place. If you're walking, it's gonna work, but if you are riding a bike or something and there's wind noise, it's not gonna work. Anyways, guys, this video is going to be a pretty long one, I get it, but yeah, bye then, see you. Okay, so in the whole video I just kept on talking about the issues that I have been facing on this product, right? And I was recording the whole time when the noise cancellation toggle was absolutely off. So this time I'm recording the audio with the noise cancellation mode on, and I have already told in the video that the noise cancellation mode, it does not really reduce the ambient noises. Yeah, but which one does? That is the transparency mode. I have already told this thing in the video. Every time you are on a call, turn on the transparency mode, so you can understand. I am in an very loud, noisy environment right now, and I am using the noise cancellation mode, but it does not really reduce the sound at all. Okay, so I'm gonna be recording. The next video would be in transparency. Wait a second. And now the audio that you are getting to hear, it's being recorded in the transparency mode, and as I have said, this quality would be 1,000 times better than the off toggle and the noise cancellation mode, because the transparency mode is the king when it comes to the recordings, when it comes to the call qualities as well. Because for some weird reason, I guess, it reduces the ambient noise and it amplifies your voice whenever there's an ambient noise or something. Okay, whenever there is a noise, vehicle noise or honking sound. Yeah, so the this thing should be implemented in all the modes, especially during the calls, but I don't know why Apple is not doing that. Anyways, guys, bye.